confusion in the beginning because we are told the Borim Bridge will be opened by 4 o'clock, but it opened only at 6 o'clock. So luckily I had made arrangement with the ferry. So some of our teams went to ferry, and from ferry via Durban, they came here and then they opened the bridge at 6 a.m. and then other people came by the bridge. Anyway, everything has gone well. Rain has been on our side. We had a wonderful weather and no sun, but no rain also, nothing. And we started little late, but in good time. And everything is going on well. And I was very happy to see that 20th edition of this Goa Marathon has gone very well, very well. We made a lot of changes into this year's marathon. Number one, we changed the route to a more scenic route, better. Even the runners came and told me that it is a very good route now. Then we had other things from the ground also here. That is also we have provided a disposable box for the snacks. So every time people used to take, give me more, and they used to throw it. So now we have given them a box, so no dispute. So this is also going on well. They are getting sumptuous breakfast plus banana plus cold drink. So one of the best breakfast that I have seen among all the marathons I have run all over the world. So that also gives me more satisfaction. So on the whole, everything is going on. And most important thing, first and second, we had just arrived on 21 kilometers. They are all our Indians. And although we got many Kenyans, I think the third one is Kenyan. The message here is that keep running. Don't go be nervous. There are ups and downs. But you have to keep running, keep trying, and eventually you become very successful. Running is good for health and it helps you to build a better personality and you get more patience.
Yeah, thank you.